Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English ORC class. Dear kids, open book page number 41. Book page number 41. Happy birthday, mom. Happy birthday, mom. Identify new words. Please. It's please. Thank you. Thank you. Says. For. Open. Please. Thank you. Says. For. Open. Pam has a box. Pam has a box. What is it? What is it? Says Tim. Pam says, I will not tell you. I will not tell you. Read again. Happy birthday, Mum. Please. Thank you. Says for open. Pam has a box. What is it? Says Tim. Pam says, I will not tell you. Now, kids, it's your turn to read book page number 41. Happy birthday, Mum. First 3 lines. Allah Hafiz.